I'm gonna get that coffee in there. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today, I know I'm late. Yeah, Coachella was a while ago, but I thought I'd sort of do the rainbow look, but then also try and recreate James Charles's look because he did it and it looked bloody cool. So I thought, why not sort of mix the two and try and recreate his look. The only thing I don't have in the look is the gems that he used, so I think I'm just gonna use a silver glitter where he did the gems instead to try and recreate it. So yes, if you'd like to see how I tried to recreate this look, just keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna start with the eyes. I mean, I did have a tan, but it literally faded in about a day, so that's really fun for me. Yes, so I'm just, what's happened to my hair? Okay, what's going on here? Someone please tell me. I have redone my hair about 5 times before I filmed this video and I'm not down for it. Like, come on, can we just cooperate, please? Do you know what? This is just a train wreck of a video already. I haven't even started it. For a base, I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape in the shade medium. Also, I got eyelash extensions. My friend was trained in them, so she did them for me and I'm obsessed. The only issue is I just find it kind of hard to like do my makeup around them. So it's been interesting. I'm just using a bit of a lighter shade just because I want the colours to pop a bit more. I'm just gonna quickly set that with my Laura Mercier translucent powder just to if I'm looking from that way, he has the red, orange and yellow on this side and then the green, blue and purple on this side. So I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the yellow, orange and the red. I'm going to be using today the Morphe 35B palette just because it's like the most colourful palette that you're in, and obviously like why wouldn't you use it, it's beautiful. And then I'll also be taking the 3502 palette and then using this orange shade here and then maybe the red as well just because it's like quite a fiery red. So yeah, let's see how this goes. I'm not sure, are you? No? Okay, so I'm going in with the 35B palette using the yellow colour. And then I'm just going to go in with the 3502 palette, the orange shade. I'm just going to pack that colour on in the middle. I'm going to take my Morphe M506 brush for that because it's quite small and condensed. Okay, yeah, that's pigmented AF. Hopefully it comes out. I'm just gonna wing this out. Whoa, that's pigmented. So I'm now gonna start with the other side. We're gonna go in with, I think, this green shade here. And then for the blue, I'll probably use this, and then the purple, this one, because they're all so vibrant. This is exciting me, you know? We'll take this Zoeva 231 Luxe Petite Crease Brush with the blue. Oh my god. Be careful, please, sir. Yeah, we're going to take this blue shade. Wow, you can see that. We're going to take this blue shade just here and just pack that on so we've got the pigment going. Oh my god, my hair! How many times now has that been? Give me strength. I'm just gonna take my Real Techniques brush, base shadow brush. Just gonna take that and blend out the purple colour into the blue, just because there's quite a harsh line ATM. I'm gonna go into the M502 palette and just use the black on the end. just gonna clean this up because this needs saving. Now I've sort of like cleaned up the eyes a bit and made them look slightly better, I'm gonna say. I'm gonna go in with my Becca First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh Primer. Yep, okay, that just went all over my leg. Isn't the colour just so cute as well? Like, I'm obsessed with this colour right now. Yeah, I'm just going to put that all over my face and blend that in with my Zoeva 125 Stippling Brush. Okay, so I've let my primer sink into my skin. I'm now going to go in with my foundation. I'm going to be taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Foundation in the shade 380, and I'm going to be mixing that with the Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation in the shade 8, just because this is slightly too dark for me now, which makes me so sad because a couple weeks ago it was my perfect shade. I'm just mixing that in the back of my hand, by the way, and then just dotting it on my face. For concealer, I'm going to use the Naked Skin Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer in the shade Medium Dark Warm. I'm just going to use the Sephora Pro Angled Contour, number 75, I think. And to set my concealer, I'm going to obviously use the Laura Mercier Translucent Powder and my Sigma F35 brush. And I'm going to kind of put more on than usual, just because I don't want... Just because I'm about to do the eyeshadow on my under eyes, and if you put more on, then it's easier to brush away the fallout if there is any after I've done the under eye eyeshadow, if that makes sense. Okay, so now that's done, I'm going to go back in and do the under eye eyeshadow. Right, let's go in with the yellow shade, just under the eye. I'm going to bring it quite far down so it's quite dramatic. Then I'm going to go back in with the orange shade. And then I'm going to go in with the red. Oh yeah, okay, it's coming together slowly but surely. We'll go back in with the black after I've done this eye. So I'm just gonna repeat that step on this eye. So now we have done the under eyes of both eyes. I'm gonna now go in with the black shade, just really close to my lower lash line, so it's a lot darker. I'm going with the small angled brushes. So let's now go on to contour and bronzing the face. My Kat Von D Shading Light Contour Palette, which I'm obsessed with currently. And I'm going to take my MAC 109. I think the number's rubbed off because I've used it so much. But I'm just going to take this middle shade here just to give us a nice contour base. And as I said, his nose is really chiseled, so I'm going to try and create the same effect, but who knows if it's going to work, we'll see. And also his jawline's like chiseled to the high heavens, so oh yeah. I'm now going to bronze up the skin with my MAC Give Me Sun, obviously, like what else would you use to do that? I'm just going to use this Spectrum brush. I don't know what it is. It doesn't, the brushes don't have numbers, so let's just try and make this work. But like a little trick, I like to put contour underneath my lip just because it gives it like a bit of a dark shadow, so it makes your bottom lip look so much fuller than it actually is. Let's go back in with the translucent powder underneath. I just love doing this. It like adds an extra bit of definition to the cheekbones, which I don't have. So for me, this step is crucial. Now going in with highlighter, I think. He always has, his highlighter is always insane. We're gonna go ham. But I'm going to do my cheekbones first. I'm just going to go in with the Anastasia Nicole Guerrero. I don't know if that's how you say it, but I'm going to go in with this palette because it's my favourite ever. I think I'm going to go in with the shade Forever Young just because it's slightly lighter than my skin tone. Oh my god, like, if that isn't blinding, I'm going to add even more, just... Oh. As I said at the beginning, I don't have any gems, so I'm gonna take the Collection Glam Crystals gel liner in one glit and just put this where he had the gems. Okay, so I'm not sure where that cut off because my camera stopped recording, but I have applied a nude lip and finished off the glitter. Yeah, I just used the MAC matte taupe because I didn't want to take the attention off the eyes, so I just went for a nude, and this is like my go-to nude. And then in the centre I just used the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, obviously, because it's insane. Combination of those two, and then Colourpop lip liner, and this is the finished look. So what do you think? I think it turned out super cool. It saved itself in the end. I think the black really helped because otherwise it would have been an absolute mess. Sorry, I'm really out of breath. The postman just rang the doorbell, so just run up and down the stairs. So that shows how fit I am. I didn't apply falsies because, as I said at the beginning, I do have eyelash extensions, so I don't really need to. So I just thought I wouldn't, just in case I do mess them up. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you like it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, it really means the world, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!